Hello, here is the printing workshop. We have 3 printing machines in the factory, and we choose graphic wheel printing. There are up to 9 colors printing for your choice. As you can see, we are doing the full page printing in white color. Here is the solvent lamination workshop, and here is the single layer with solvents, with the coating, and over there it is the 4 times drying, and there 4 times drying, and there it is the 2 layer of the material lamination. And now it is the NKME and PBS lamination. Hello, here is the cutting workshop. We will divide 1 row of film into 3 rows. And here is the monitor to detect the deviation of the films. As you can see, there are 3 small rows of films over this side. Hello, this is DXC pack, and this workshop is the bag making workshop. And this machine is making the recyclable stand-up pouch. This is our accessory process workshop, and now it is adding the valves on the pouch, and the valve is imported from the width switch.